Hi everyone, this is Make Money Easy. In this video, I'll be showing how to connect your Solana wallet to TapSwap. Okay, so some people are having issues with this, and I've gotten questions regarding this across my channel, so I want to address this. I've not actually done it, that's why I'm making this video, so I want to put everybody through. So you come to your dashboard and look for where it says you should add your Solana wallet address, right? So it brings you to this particular page where you're going to click on go. That's this go, right? Give it some time to load. You can click again, right? So now it's going to load like this, and it's going to bring this option up, right? So what you're going to do now is to click connect this, right? You should have a Solana wallet installed on your device, such as the Phantom wallet. Recommended is Phantom wallet. So if you don't have the Phantom wallet, go and download the Phantom wallet. Okay, now you click on connect this, right? And it's going to direct you to your Phantom wallet. As you can see, I need to put my thumbprint to open my Phantom wallet, right? So take note. It's saying I should connect my Phantom wallet. This popped up on my Phantom wallet. I didn't do anything, right? So you click this connect option, this, right? So welcome to TapSwap dashboard. Sign message. It's asking me, it's already connected. As you can see, it's telling me to disconnect, which I will never disconnect. So sign message, I'll click okay, good. I'll click sign. Sorry, I thought I've ruined everything. So I need to authenticate with my thumbprint. So this approval message pops up and I need to approve, so I'll click approve. And that's it. You confirm Solana address C. As you can see, it's bonded, right? So this is what you just need to do. So you click to back to mine this to return to your mining page and keep tapping. Tap heartlessly, tap endlessly. You can wound your screen, wound your device, destroy your device, squeeze your device, and ensure you get enough units of this coin that you're grabbing on this particular app. Okay, this to Make Money Easy. You can subscribe to this channel to get more information about TapSwap and other valuable airdrop. You can turn on your notification to know when I post information about valuable airdrops. Let's stay connected. Cheers.